How to make eggplant parmesan. So what I'm doing is I'm slicing the eggplant. They're about 1/2 inch thick slices, and what we're going to do is salt it to get the bitterness out of the eggplant.
So you're going to spread those out evenly and sprinkle salt over them, and that removes it takes out
the bitterness
and the moisture, right?
Yeah, that's the moisture. It does what's called crying. So I'm just going to take my salt and
Alright. So here's the first step of making eggplant parmesan. Eggplant parmesan. You wash your eggplants and slice them in 1/2 inch slices and salt them.
And you have to salt them for about an hour. So we're going to let this sit here and start on the marinara sauce next.
Okay.
Some garlic powder.
I'm going to have to get a microphone on you.
A microphone?
Flip on mic and...
so Mrs. Dash. Because it's got some herbs, Italian seasoning. I just like to, mix it up a little bit.
Turn this music down.
It's too late now. And you could let this simmer. I'm going to just let it simmer on low until the eggplant's done. Okay. Until the eggplant's done salting and crying or whatever it's called.
All right.
And some salt. And that's it.
Okay. Boiling or cooking? Or... Yes.
So it's been an hour and it's time to rinse off the eggplant. So I just rinse it off and let it dry in the
okay, so when you sprinkle the salt on it, you don't cook it or anything. You just let it sit with the salt on it for a while, and then you rinse.
For an hour.
Then for an hour.
Rinse the salt off.
And you rinse the salt off. Okay. Takes the bitterness out.
Yeah.
And wicks some of the moisture.
And some of the moisture. So better taste than eggplant.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure that they're dry. I'm going to put another layer of paper towels on my... It's time to check on them, how they look underneath.
Slippery little suckers. Pretty
That looks
brown.
pretty good. How don't you start pulling them out and putting them on the paper towel?
All right.
Okay.
I don't know how you do this left-handed.
It takes skill. Okay, good job, honey. So now everything's pretty much done. Now we just layer and put the sucker in the oven. So you want to take, they say like 1/3 of the sauce, but it depends on how much sauce you had. I had a lot of extra. But just enough to just kind of cover it.
Okay.
Because the idea is this layer will help the eggplant not to stick.
Right. That makes sense.
So now we put the eggplant in.
Ooh, bare hands. Yeah, they're probably hot. It just came out of the oil.
It just came out of the oil. That was not the smart move.
Cooking with Mai-Ly. Second degree burns with Mai-Ly.
Hey, I'm trying here. Okay. Layer those suckers.
Should I pause?
Yeah. Okay. So then you leave the eggplant in. The next layer is cheese. So my slices are kind of thick, so I'm just going to try to...
They'll spread out.
Yeah.
Those look so good already. I could eat it just like this. It doesn't even need to go any further in the process.
I know, they're ready to go.
I just pick those things up and dip them in sauce. And oh, man. It's awesome.
What do you think? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's your turn to do the next layer.
Okay.
Okay, so the next layer needs another 1/3 of the sauce. So Ryan's going to go ahead and layer on top. Cover it as best he can. We got plenty of sauce, so sauce it away, honey.
Okay. Feeling pretty saucy right now.
It's going to be saucy. Does that sound like Jim Carrey?
Kinda. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop
Okay, so the next step is
More of these guys?
more of
Should I
this.
kind of stagger them?
Yeah, stagger them. Put them in between since
they're
we're a little
6.
short. We're short
We
2
didn't
pieces
make
of
it.
eggplant.
This time we'll have to do an even 16. We did, I guess we did 14.
Our eggplants were small.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, now the cheese.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, we were supposed to put some Parmesan on too. Go ahead and layer the cheese,
The mozzarella.
the mozzarella.
Mozzarella! Well, this is the fun part. It's hard not to put it in my mouth instead of on the food. I mean, I really just want to eat this cheese right now. Alright.
Okay, so now get the bag of mozzarella and go ahead and sprinkle all over. I like my eggplant parm cheesy, so we're gonna. And plus, I was short on the mozzarella ball, so it should be cheesier.
Mozzarella!
Keep sprinkling away.
Hey mambo, mambo italiano, hey mambo, hey mambo. Okay.
Okay, that's.
They don't pay me to sing.
Now the question is, do we put another layer of sauce down, or is this it?
I'm not
The
sure.
top layer needs sauce.
Yeah?
Yeah. Or maybe we should just put sauce in between, right before the cheese. Anyway, there's plenty of recipes that show you how to layer it. We might have screwed up, but life goes on. So I think we should add more sauce because the top layer needs sauce. And we need to use up that sauce.
Yeah.
Usually I like the cheese on top, so you see the cheese bubble
that's what
in
I
the
figured.
oven.
We could still sprinkle a little
Yeah, we
bit
could
more
sprinkle
mozzarella.
mozzarella
A
on
little
top.
more grated mozzarella on
Okay.
top.
Okay. Oh, and before all this, we preheated the oven to 400.
Right now it has reached 350. 355.
Oh, we're
Getting hot. It's getting hot. Okay.
Sing it.
It's.
Okay, that's pretty good, I think. What do you think? Oh, some Parmesan. Bag of Parmesan.
Parmesan. Parmesano. Italiano.
Yeah, go ahead and sprinkle most of that. Okay, it's all layered up now. Look at
Doesn't-
that beauty before it cooks.
You don't need to cover it with foil or
Nope.
anything. You want it to brown a little bit.
Yeah, on top. So,
All right, oven is at 395.
putting it on the center rack.
Center rack, center of the oven. Woo, it's hot in there. Molly, want to jump in?
And it
Ah,
bakes
and it's at
for
400.
30 minutes. So we'll get back to you then.
Okay, I guess the final step of baking the eggplant parmesan is done. Ready. So, woo,
It's been half an hour.
that's fine. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this.
Look at all the bubbly cheese and sauce.
Say something.
Okay, go
Alright.
for it.
So now it's cool enough that we were able to put it on a plate. We can taste our eggplant parmesan.
And Mommy wants to try
Yeah,
it
we
too.
can try it. Oh my gosh, it's still a little hot, still steaming.
Look at that cheese.
Whoa! Take 2. All right. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. So much flavor in the breading. A little crispy on the outside, all the cheese and the sauce. Nice and soft and moist on the inside. It's delicious. You did a great job. This recipe.
You
works.
did it.
I did it?
You did it.
Oh, man. Well, I think anyone can do this. If I can cook this, anyone can. So if you're looking for a good, quick, easy eggplant parmesan, this didn't take long. It's amazing. Thank you again for joining us in our home for Cooking with Mai-Ly. Hopefully this will be a regular thing and you enjoy it and it helps some people come up with some new dishes to cook while they're on quarantine. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.